Alright, this video is a review for the USB-C to HDMI adapter with a charge port from Startech.com. I actually got this adapter from Amazon right here. You can see it. I got it on March 30th this year. And I'm using it on a PA329Q LCD monitor, which is 4K as well. The reason why I got this adapter is because it is a 4K 60Hz adapter. And right here, I have a MacBook Pro with touch bar. And all the adapters, at least the HDMI adapter that Apple has, it's only 30 Hertz. And I wanted to work on my Mac here to use this display. So the reason why I wanted to review this, it's because as you can see here, I'm using a 1080. Just focus on that. And as soon as I try to go higher than that, right, I get no signal. Sometimes I do get some signal, but if you really want to get signal here, it only works with 30 Hertz. I'll just show you the configuration right here. All right, so under 30 Hertz does work. It's not too smooth. I'm actually recording this video with 60 FPS, so you can see how it kinda lags. And it's not very smooth, to be honest. When you want to work 4K, you want to have many windows open, but in here you get to have many windows open, but still that lag doesn't feel well. On the other side, if I go back here to 60 Hertz, it works sometimes, and it works well. This time it doesn't work. But honestly, if you are getting an HDMI adapter for your MacBook Pro at least, make sure it works for 4K, at least for your monitor. Because in my case, I had a hard time getting the right adapter. I'll just go back to 1080p. Alright, 1080p works flawless and it's really fast. As you can see here, yeah, it's all well. Put it back to 60 Hertz. I had it 50 before, but yeah, it's back to 60. There you go. So it works well. And I've tried all the adapters, and this adapter works fine. And I had a hard time making it to work. I used let me show you right here. If you use it with a charging port, which it comes with, sometimes you get to see 4K resolution on 60 Hertz. All right, let's see which settings I got. 60 Hertz, 4K. All right, so I still have no signal right here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Going back to 30 Hertz. And there you go, 30 Hertz works. Going back to 60. Might work. All right, it's not working. So let me just show you my setup really quick. Going back to 1080p. And well, I'll fast forward this. All right. So right here, this is the adapter. This is the HDMI cable that I got. It's a really nice cable. I've tested it with other computers and it's good quality. It's not too bad for a price. I think you can get pretty decent prices on Amazon. Right here is an adapter that it never worked for me. Not even on 1080p. I had to return it. Yeah. Bought it like 3 days before the other one. I returned it, never made it work. It says that it works 4K 60 Hertz as well. It didn't work. So what I ended up doing, it's getting this display port cable 4K at 60 Hertz. So just let me show you that really quick. I'm gonna unplug what I have. And right here, I really left it plugged in. Here is the adapter. I'm just gonna plug it right here. right, I'm gonna change the input. All right, it's working now. Display port. And going to settings. You can tell it's like it's more smooth. All right, back to here. You can see it's working 60 Hertz NTSC, not scaled. Pretty much works really good. Just to end this video, I'll just open YouTube really quick. Alright. Just 4K, 60 FPS for you guys. So you can tell. Just got the first result, I'm sorry. Alright. So quality is pretty good. You don't get glitches or flickers. This video didn't make it to work without flickering or not even on 60 Hertz, but yeah, it's pretty smooth. It's working. So, final thoughts. Don't get an HDMI adapter for your MacBook at least. Or if you're gonna use under 4K resolution, let's say 2K QHD or something like that, yeah, you should get it, and it's gonna work pretty well. So that's pretty much my advice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you a lot on buying your device. I'm gonna post the links for the hardware that I use here under the description of the video. Make sure you find them useful. See ya.